And J-style spacer. Gonna use the medium insert. Put it in here. And then you're gonna have to get that little retaining clip on top. Got the retaining pin. Just use some picks. And then go ahead and put the washer on here. Gonna put some anti-seize on this thread and then also on the O2 sensor. And rear O2. And do those clips. And you want to make sure you have it pointing back, so you're going to screw it in, and then you don't want it like that, so you're going to put it there, and then you're going to tighten this down. And there it is. When you're going to put this back in, if you pre-twist it the opposite direction, then it comes out fairly straight. Fortunately, can't get that back in that clip over there. Maybe figure something out. Keep it off the exhaust. That's it. It tucked back pretty good, but I just threw a zip tie on there just for good measure.